Hello everyone and welcome, and today we're working on best webinar software, the ultimate guide for choosing it. The first on our list is EverWebinar. This is EverWebinar, and what we do, there are so many advantages to EverWebinar. Now, you can get more signups and higher quality leads using EverWebinar. Let's quickly reload this page. Now, it helps deliver a lot of things, so let's look at it. Let's look at the features. So let's get started. So whatever webinar helps deliver the perfect webinar presentation over and over without ever being present, so you can automate your efforts and maximize your time with EverWebinar. All devices are in HD Glory, high definition, 30 frames per second, high quality video and audio broadcasting. So no more pixelated streaming or choppy frame rates. Whether you're broadcasting your pre-recorded webcam, a screen share, PowerPoint, presentation or anything between, EverWebinar will do it in superb high definition. Has flexible scheduling, on-demand webinars, so no more waiting, no scheduling, no delay, attendance conversion through the roof. Just-in-time webinars, watch replay right away, join in progress. It's also ideal. It has the power. It's a browser-based solution, no downloads, no hassle. Ideal for seamless user experience both for the presenters and the attendees. There is no plugins or apps to download or install, so minimizing user confusion and technical hiccups. So you can go from live to evergreen in one single click. Seamless import from webinar Jam also. So EverWebinar and Webinar Jam seem to work together, as you can see here. So if you're a Webinar Jam user, you can also import a previous live webinar and convert it automatically into an evergreen event. So with the click of a button, absolutely everything will be replicated exactly as it happened live, second by second. Live session video, every chat line, every poll, every slide presentation, every product offer. Truly is an exact carbon copy of your live event. So it can be called replica replay, and it's simply amazing. One click platform swap, convert live to automated. So it's ideal for Webinar Jam users, turning a one-off live event into a recurring everlasting automated webinar. EverWebinar also supports live chats, where you can handle real-time questions while the presentation runs on autopilot, and live chat simulation, polls and surveys, easy split testing, active offers, full email and SMS system, analytics, dynamic attendance, gorgeous point and click landing pages, automated integrations, scale faster by allowing team members privileged access, automatically ban inappropriate words, monitor all webinar sign up from your inbox, get more signups and higher quality leads. And when you sign up, what is included is EverWebinar, free training, community and unlimited support. Livestorm. Now with Livestorm, you get unlimited license, limited events. You pay only for your Livestorm contacts. This is for planning. Let's start from the beginning. Now this is Livestorm. Here you can unlock any video conferencing use cases here. So stop boring product demos, get engaging product demos, online conferences and summits, employees training, live Q&A, podcast interviews, customers get it better, so you can check what customers have to say. With one platform, you get an infinity of events. So streamline your budget, consolidate all your events in a single software. Try Livestorm for free, only 3 minutes away from your most engaging webinar meetings. Yes, it is that easy. So you can sign up for free, no credit card required, no software to install or get a live demo. So let us see if we can sign up for free. What are the things that are required? So you can sign up to your Google account, your Microsoft account, your email, password, and you sign up. Alright. Now let's move on to the pricing for Livestorm. Let's look at the pricing for Livestorm. They really want me to sign up here. Give me a sec. Let's go to the live. pricing for lifestyle. They really want me to sign up. I am not ready to go to lifestyle. It's alright. Since it is really, really necessary to them. I just wanted to look at the pricing actually. All we need is a pricing, so I'm going to have to start from the beginning of lifestyle. Give me a second. Alright, so here we are. Oh, this is the pricing page. Let's just go straight to the pricing page. You know, we're told that it's free of charge actually. It's free of charge. So you do not pay. It is simple at heart, highly customizable, plug and play, actually safe, simple. You do not pay, it is free. It is more than just webinars, it is one unified platform offering all kinds of possibility for hosting dynamic discussions, audience training, and the rest of them. One tool from start to finish. These are all the things you get, these are all the benefits you get and the features for Lifestorm. It has it all. There the numbers speak from startup to enterprise. A lot of customers trust Lifestorm to run efficient online events. Will you enjoy them and see for yourself? Next on our list is this one, Demio. Now, Demio has flexible pricing plans for every business, but before the plans, let's look at why would you want to use Demio. Now, it has webinar analytics, it has engagement features, customization. Demio AI boost showcase customer support. You can also watch a demo integration, and you also have the integration and software comparison. Now, what is Demio all about? Demio gives transparent webinar insights for data-driven marketers. Demio is built so you can host engaging experiences that turn into analytic insights, making you the most popular marketer in the room. So it delivers results, you can see so clearly, and it is really, really good. So it has features that work for you, like attending engagement, analytics, identify intent, and webinar ROI. It is built for your business growth, for marketing, sales, and customer success. It integrates better. You can check all the integrations here, or click on view integration. It is recommended. It is really good. Some of the top 50 sales products best software awards of 2022. So there's so much you can get from it. Now let's look at the pricing of Demio. So the pricing is here. We have the premium plan, startup plan, and the growth plan. And it all depends on the attendees growth. Now you're using startup plan, it's just for 50 attendees room, and you pay $45 a month, paid yearly for a single host. But using the growth plan, it depends on the number of attendees room. With 50 you pay $8 a month, with 500 it changes and it keeps on changing. So just click and find out how much. Same for the premium. The number of attendees room determine how much you pay. As simple as that.